Music. Welcome to my Box Cloud Storage review. Find helpful links in the description below. Box is ideal for businesses, but individual users needing secure, scalable, and collaborative storage will also benefit. Box streamlines team collaboration, file sharing, and document management. Its robust collaboration tools let teams work together on documents, spreadsheets, and presentations in real time. Version history tracking and easy file permission management are built in. Box also integrates with Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, and Slack, increasing its versatility. Security is impressive, featuring end-to-end encryption, AES 256-bit encryption for data at rest and in transit, and two-factor authentication. Detailed access controls let you manage user permissions for sensitive information. Business plans offer unlimited storage, advanced file versioning, and integration with enterprise-level security tools. Box complies with HIPAA, GDPR, and FedRAMP. Even if you're an individual user, Box offers 10 GB of free storage. Affordable paid plans are available for those needing more. Box is an excellent cloud storage solution for both businesses and individuals. Its collaboration features, robust security, and integrations make it a top contender for anyone needing comprehensive, enterprise-level cloud storage. Check the description for more details and links.